Headlines making the nightly news. Man gunned down in Manchester. Carpenter held with illegal firearm in Seaview Gardens. Illegal ammunition seized over Easter weekend. U.S. citizen robbed and killed in St. Anne. Farmer allegedly caught on surveillance camera breaking into St. Elizabeth home. Westmoreland family seek help to locate missing relative. A United States resident was robbed and shot to death by a gunman at his home in Monique, St. Anne on Monday night. He has been identified as Gregory McIntosh, a 43-year-old taxi operator from Brooklyn, New York. According to the police, the now deceased had just arrived on the island. It was reported that around 8 p.m. McIntosh was at home when three armed men with handguns entered the house and held him up. McIntosh, the police said, was robbed of an undetermined sum of cash before being shot several times in the back of the head, left side of his back, and right wrist. The gunman ran from the premises and escaped in a waiting motor car. The police were summoned to the location where they found McIntosh lying in blood with multiple gunshot wounds. The body was taken to the morgue for a post-mortem examination. Police are probing Monday night's murder of a man in Chudley, northern Manchester. Police identified the deceased as Anthony Williams, 51, a farmer and resident of Chudley housing scheme. A police report said that about 11:30 p.m. Williams was walking home in the scheme when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 21-year-old Daniel Williams, otherwise called CJ, and Peely Boy, a carpenter of Seaview Garden, Phase 1, Kingston, was arrested and charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition following an incident in his community on Monday, April 10. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that about 1:25 a.m., an operation was carried out along Chaffinch Road in the parish when Williams was observed walking off and acting in a manner that aroused suspicion after he saw a police vehicle. He was accosted and searched, and one C80 Glock pistol with a magazine containing 6 9mm rounds of ammunition was found on his person. He was arrested and subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized.